Scan now. Meet Sovi, your new AI study buddy. Figure 1 gives this away fast. Read the graph shape, match the population pattern, and you can lock the best explanation in seconds. Figure 1 shows a classic exponential growth pattern, where the bison population keeps rising faster over time instead of leveling off, so the curve suggests rapid increase, not slowdown. That usually happens when a population starts small and has plenty of space, food, and other resources, which means little competition at first and lets reproduction drive quick growth. The graph does not show a plateau or drop, so there is no clear evidence of density-dependent limits, making option D the best explanation. Well done! Option D. Scan now. Watch graph signs, avoid rushing, trust the given figure, and check whether the growth pattern really matches exponential change.